A rainy day. Elementary school. Second grade. A rainy day. Danny pointed out the window. I want to play, but it's still raining. Why don't we play inside? Said Samantha. We can play I Spy with my little eye. Well, okay. Can I go first? Sure. Danny smiled. I see wet sidewalks. I see wet grass, said Samantha. I see wet windows, Danny said. I see wet trees, said Samantha. I see wet cars, Danny said. I see wet... Samantha stopped. What's wrong? Nothing. I see the rain stopping. I see the sun, Danny said. He raised the door and ran outside. Samantha followed. Wow! I see something pretty. Danny nodded. I see something pretty too, but smiled as they looked at the colorful rainbow. Answer. Question number 1. Why couldn't Danny play outside in the beginning of the story? Because it was raining. Number 2. What was the second thing that Danny saw when playing the game? Wet windows. Number 3. Why did Samantha stop playing the game? The rain stopped. Number 4. What was something pretty that Danny and Samantha saw? A colorful rainbow. A rainbow. The colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Beautiful rainbow.